Video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords to your Shopify store. For anyone looking to enhance their store's visibility and SEO performance, understanding how to effectively incorporate keywords is a game changer. Let's dive in. The journey starts by pointing your browser towards Shopify. If you're already logged out, you'll first need to log into your account. The login page will prompt you for your credentials, but there's a nifty feature for those who prefer a streamlined process. If your account is associated with an email, you can opt to continue with email for a smoother login experience. Once you've decided on your sign-in method, you'll likely have a list of accounts pop up, especially if you're using Google's OAuth service. Select the account you use for Shopify. This might seem like a small step, but ensuring you're logging into the correct account is crucial for managing your store without a hitch. After you've navigated the login marathon successfully, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard of your Shopify store. This command center is where the magic happens. From here, your next destination is the products section. A simple click will whisk you away to a universe where all your products reside, waiting for your masterful touch. Amidst the sea of products, choose any product that you feel needs a keyword revamp. Navigating through your products might awaken your inner curator, but stay focused on the task at hand. Once you've selected the lucky product, you'll notice the option to edit it. Clicking on edit is like opening the door to optimization, a world where your product's potent potential is unlocked. Now, on the product details page, there are two main areas where your chosen keywords can shine: the page title and the meta description. Starting with the page title, click into this field. This is not just any title, think of it as the beacon that guides customers to your product amidst the vast digital ocean. Make it descriptive, catchy, and importantly infused with your targeted keyword. The next stop is the meta description. This brief description performs a pivotal role in both informing your customers and enticing them to click through. It's an art form where conciseness meets persuasion. Click into the meta description field and weave your keywords into a compelling narrative that promises and delivers. Throughout this process, remember, keywords are the invisible threads connecting your product to potential customers. They're not to be overstuffed, but woven subtly into the fabric of your descriptions and titles. Think of them as the spices in a dish: too little and it's bland, too much and it's overwhelming. Strike the right balance to make your products irresistible, both to search engines and to customers. In conclusion, adding keywords to your Shopify store is more than a clerical task. It's a strategic move towards greater visibility and success. By following these steps, you're not just listing products, you're telling a story, setting a trap for search engines, and casting a net wide into the sea of potential customers. Remember, every word counts, every description matters, and every product has the potential to be seen, loved, and purchased. Go forth and optimize.